Hi everyone, I've got a Honda CRV here. Just did the rear tyres and doing a light bulb on this. As you can see, this one here is working and that one isn't. Just going to do that, show you how it's done. It's quite a simple procedure on these. But before I start doing it, you got to be careful, you know, make sure when you were doing the bulb on a Honda CRV, you don't have the engine running. If you did, that's a belt right here, which you can get your hand in and you'd be in serious trouble, basically. Now to do it, this is the bulb I need to replace. For me to do that, if I get it right at the back, you may not be able to see. As you can see, my fingers right there, there is a plug. I need to make sure I get that. Yes, it's that green plug right there. So what I need to do, twist that to my left and then pull just right here to replace the bulb. It's a 501 bulb, quite a common one. It's one of these. So you've got the bulb right here. I'm just going to put this bulb back on. Just make sure I don't drop it. What I'll do, I'll pause you for a second. Right now that the bulb is in, we do the same thing again. Make sure you run it through and then you'll see it right in there now. And then twist it to your right, so make sure it's solid. I'm just going to check, see if it's working. See, lights on. As you can see now right there, they're both working. That's all you got to do on your car. Any more information, please do let me know and we'll try helping you out. And the bulb that you need is a 501 bulb, which you can't see the numbers here because of the light and everything, but that's all you need, a 501 capless bulb for the side lights. And for the main dip beam, it's a H4, just so you know. Thank you very much. Goodbye.